Good morning, dear students. Yesterday, in our new lesson, chapter 4 adjective, we learned about interrogative adjective, demonstrative adjectives, and possessive adjectives. So, today we will be learning the difference between adjectives and pronoun. Okay, the difference between adjectives and pronoun. Here I have sentence because this sentence is of adjective and this is of a pronoun. How it is an adjective and this is a pronoun sentence? That story you told me was good. So here story. Story is a noun. Okay? Story is a noun and it is modified. Modified by adjective that. It is see. In your textbook also it is written page number 32. In a first sentence, the word that modifies a noun. This word that it modifies a noun. So it is an adjective. Okay? In a story modifies the noun story. And in the second sentence, the new book is a phrase. Okay? The new book is a phrase. So therefore the first sentence is an adjective and second sentence is a pronoun. Further we learn the points demonstrative adjectives and pronouns such as these, that, these and those look alike. Dear students, look alike means they look same but they perform different functions. Okay? They perform different functions in a sentence. Demonstrative adjectives must be followed by a noun. See, followed by a noun. Okay? Must be followed by nouns, and demonstrative pronouns are those that replace either a noun or a noun phrase. For the example, some, more, such, none, and etc. Okay? Then we are going to learn another two sentences. His mother came looking for him, and second sentence is I forgot to bring my pen. I am borrowing his. Okay? Here the word his is followed by a noun. Here. Okay? Mother is a noun. And it is followed by a noun. His. This word his is followed by a noun. Mother is a common noun and his is followed by a noun. Therefore, it is an adjective sentence. This sentence is of an adjective. Okay? This sentence, first sentence is on adjective. Second sentence, I forgot to bring my pen. I am borrowing his. I forgot to bring my pen. I am borrowing his. In the second sentence, pen works as an antecedent. Okay? This word pen works as an antecedent. I taught you about antecedent in the chapter 3 pronoun. And his, that is the word refer to the pen that belongs to him. Okay? Belongs to him. So, his in the second sentence is a pronoun. So, his. What is his? It is a pronoun. His is a pronoun. So, this second sentence is a pronoun and the first sentence is of an adjective. Further, we are going to learn the exercise on the page number 33. Then you can learn more about this point. So, now let's go through the exercise. Now, let's go through the exercise to understand more which is pronoun and which is adjective sentence. So, the first sentence is that bag you are carrying is so beautiful. That bag you are carrying is so beautiful. Okay? Bag. See, bag is a noun and that is an adjective in in a sentence. Okay, that is an adjective in a sentence. So what is that? That is an adjective. Okay, what is modifies? A noun, that. So that is an adjective in a sentence. So heading is that we have to read sentence and write whether the underlined words in each case is an adjective or pronoun. So that is an adjective because it modifies noun, that. Next sentence is Mrs. Reha Rahman asked us to solve this sum. This is so difficult. Mrs. Rahman asked us to solve this sum. Okay, this is so difficult. What is so difficult? To hear sum. What is so difficult? Sum is so difficult. So here this is a pronoun. It is pronoun. Okay, this is pronoun, and which is antecedent here in a sentence. So this sum is an antecedent in a sentence. Okay, this sum is an antecedent in a sentence. In your textbook, dear students, in your textbook, in page number 33, in page number 33, this exercise is given. Okay, and sidewise they have given a space like that. There you have to write down which is antecedent here in a sentence. You can see in your textbook here the space is given. There you have to write it down. So if this second sentence is of pronoun, this second sentence is of pronoun, and sum, what is that? So sum is an antecedent and this is a pronoun. Let's go to the third one. What would you like to take? Tea or coffee? I want neither. What would you like to take? Tea or coffee? I want neither. So here tea and coffee. Instead of tea and coffee, here it is used neither. Okay? So this neither is a pronoun and this is an antecedent. Okay, I have written a short form. This tea or coffee is an antecedent here. Next is, what is this blue thing? Now, blue is a noun. Blue is a noun. And this modifies a noun. So, this is an adjective sentence. Okay, in this sentence, this is an adjective. Who are going to form our class for Rehan's birthday? He invited none. Who are going from our class for Rehan's birthday? He invited none. Okay. Now none. Instead of class, our class, they have written here none. Okay. So this none is an pronoun and our class is an antecedent here. Our class is an antecedent here. Next, number 6. Such is my love that I missed the bus just by 2 seconds. Such is my love that I missed the bus by 2 seconds. Okay, my love is an adjective here. My love is an adjective. It modifies. Okay, adjective. So this such is an adjective. This such is an adjective because this sentence is of an adjective sentence. I love to read those old comics. Again, old comics. Old comics is a noun and those modifies it. So this is an adjective sentence. Okay, this is an adjective sentence. Wow, you bought so many white chocolates. Do you like those? See, here chocolates. Instead of chocolate, they have written here those. So this is, those is a pronoun. Okay, and chocolate is an antecedent here. So chocolates are antecedent here. So dear students, go through this exercise in your textbook on page number 33. On page number 33, go through this exercise and write down, okay? Write down in your textbook as well as in your notebook with the good handwriting. Thank you to all.